A portable air conditioner that is not cooling properly can be caused by clogged air filters or dirty condenser coils. To fix the issue, start by turning off the unit and allowing it to cool for a few minutes. Then, remove the covers that protect the filters and take out the filters themselves. Clean each filter with warm water and detergent, or use a vacuum cleaner to gently blow away any dirt. Allow the filters to dry completely before reinstalling them and testing to see if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, it may be necessary to clean the condenser coils. Begin by turning off the unit and letting it cool. Then remove the access panel to access the coils. Use a vacuum cleaner to gently blow away any dirt that has accumulated in the coil fins. Next, mix warm water and detergent in a spray bottle and spray the solution onto the coils, allowing them to soak. If necessary, spray more of the solution and use a thin brush to gently scrub away any dirt, or use a soft cloth to wipe down the coils. By following these steps, it is possible to fix a portable air conditioner that is not cooling properly.